Mbere ya kamiti yake watawikirani kia bunge ni kwa makamishna atatu IBC matataire gukorwo kwa ofisine. Wafula Chebukati, Abdi Gulie na Boya Molu makiuga kiwatho kamiti ino yagirwo ni gukorwo na makamishna gatagati ka atatu na kenda. Atatu aya no matigarite thutha wage anakwiyeheria wira.
Use the Hansard unless
atatu aya magititirithia makamishna makiria atano mendekana hindi ya mushimani urio nafatara guikirio kura. Ari unduria atatu aya na kuri ugo maugite ni ukoretwo kihinga mihango imwe ya kamiti ino kona ati mishimanio ya o mweri ndingithaganio. Ni makamishna aria ona kuri ugo maugite maundu maingi ma kamiti ino no marathie na mbere ona thengia ya aruna ao kwiyeheria wira.
Budget issues have already been done, so at the moment there are no major issues of policy, and even if there are, they don't hamper the operations of the organization. We have already the Secretariat working on the major activities which are part of the electoral cycle.
Abunge ningi makimoria kana nimeharirie kwiyeheria wira na njira ya kwirutira angikorwo nimekuheo njoherera cia gutiga wira kiuria kiria ona kuri ugo makamishna aya methemete nakio. Chebukati ningi agicukira atatu aria merika kwiyeheria wira ica ikuhi kwanga kumwandikira marua ma gutiga wira nginyagia umuthe. No kamiti ino ni yandikire ministry ya kigina irugamia mishara ya atatu acio.
Are you in doubt that your three colleagues have resigned?
As we speak, I have not seen a copy of that resignation. They have not been coming to the office since 16th of March, so we are still in the dark.
Are you running a risk of making decisions and conducting yourselves in a manner that later on somebody may doubt?
Article 248 of the Constitution as to Constitution of Commissions, which allow that minimum commissioners should be 3 and maximum of 9. We are 3 of us in office, and we derive our strength from that provision of the Constitution.
Makamishna atatu munini wa muikariritie Koni Maina, Margaret Mwachanya na Paul Kurgat meheririe wira makiuga matiri na muhoka na muikariritie Wafula Chebukati na utongoria wake.
They should return the assets of the commission. They still have the vehicles, the drivers, and all the assets of the commission given to them. They have not responded. I wrote a letter to the Treasury informing them that these commissioners ceased to be in office from 16th of March, and they should stop their salaries.
IBC na kuruigwe getitirithia kamiti ya kihoto bunge-ini ni bere na wigiririku wa kwendekithia mieke iyo kuihorio. Griffon Trainoro TV ritoroko Masharia wa Gashuru.